Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing very well and have had a fantastic start to the new year. Today's poem is going to be about the power of words. But before I get into it, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. By you subscribing to the channel, it'll help out the channel and push out the videos to a larger audience. And hey, what better feeling than getting my videos out to a larger audience? So if you haven't subscribed already, definitely do. Alright then, let's get into the poem. So where was I? Yes, the power of words. Words indeed hold an enormous amount of power. The power to hurt, the power to heal. Diplomatic relationships can change based on one word used here or there. One wrong word, and the relationship can get destroyed severely. So yes, use your words wisely. We all should. I remind myself it's not always easy to, but we all should. There's a very famous African proverb which says, "Until the lion learns how to write and speak, every story will glorify the hunter." And how true it is. So here's the poem. Sometimes even whispered words have a resounding sound. Those that hit your heart, hurt your soul, and then come around. So use your words wisely, for you may have just whispered them away, but in someone's heart out there, forever they shall stay. So here's to being a little bit wiser with our words. I really need to practice what I preach. But yeah, here's to using words wisely. I'll come back with another poem very, very soon. Until then, stay safe, be kind. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to soak yourself in poetry.